What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do the Adidas Harden Vol.5 Futurenatural Tokyo colorway. So let's find out where is the difference. As you can see here, just like the other colorway, you can see the color is a little bit higher, a little bit wider on the fake than the authentic. And also the white patch here is slightly to the left than the fake here. And this one on the authentic is a little bit gap here between the Adidas logo and the lace hole here. Look at the fake, there's a lot more gap. And this one also, so the red patch here is slightly horizontal, then the authentic here is a lot more slanted. Moving to the other side of the shoes, you can see here on the tags it's slightly go down on the authentic, but look at the fake here, there's no gap between the patch and the tags. And also we cannot read the chapter 1 here, we cannot read it because it's too much go down. Another sample here, still same, no gap here, no gap between the patch and the tags. Also the color is too wide. This one also still same, the color is too wide. And this one the tags is too close with the patch. Moving from above here, you can see on the authentic there is a gap between the string and the white patch here, the white stitching, but look at the fake, it's too close, there is no gap here. And also the stitching here is not placed right in the middle, it's a little bit come up here. Moving to the back of the shoes, you can see on the heel counter here, the outsole is slightly to the left here, it's placed slightly to the left. And also the stitching here is too far with the Adidas logo. This one also, it's slightly to the left here, it's hard to see but you can see, but if you look at closer here, it's not same length. Here and here is same, it's not same length, so that's indicate the midsole there is slightly to the left. And the last one is the fake box label, still same, the China version, I don't know this mean, but this is the fake box label. Alright guys, that's my explanation, I hope you understand, and if you have any question just write down in the comment section below. So stay tuned on this channel because a lot more video coming up. So thank you very much guys, and see you on the next video.